Is Shopify good for small businesses? In this video, I'm going to show you why Shopify is the best platform for small businesses, because it is very affordable to use Shopify, especially for small businesses. As you can see that you can get started for free using Shopify, but I highly recommend that you extend your free trial only for $1, mean that you will have 30 days free trial, guys. Okay, as you can see that it's going to only be costing you only for $19 per month just using Shopify, guys. So this is the best platform for small businesses. Like, this is the most popular plan that I recommend for small businesses to use Shopify. Remember, if you want to get an access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get an access to the Shopify. So now let me show you some of the features that comes with Shopify. So what you can do first of all with Shopify, Shopify allows you to create digital products. So you can also create digital products here. You can also create courses. You can also use Shopify for drop shipping businesses, and also to sell your stores, so to sell your products on your store using Shopify, guys. Okay, so what you can do here, you can also go here to products. So on a products, this is whereby that you can also add a new products to your store. So you can also import, if they say that you already have an existing products, you can also import them here. You can also export them. You can also click here to add a new product. So when you click here to add a new product, this is whereby that you can able to upload your own product that you want to sell here on Shopify, guys. Okay, so what you can see here on a title, you can just use any title that you want, guys. Okay, for your product, I'm just gonna click here and use this title. This is gonna be my title of my product. And then what you can do for description, so this is whereby that the writing content about what is your product and also what does your product do. So you can just write any content here like this. You can also, what I like to do, I like to use this AI feature from Shopify that allows you to write any content, guys. Okay, for your description of your product, just click here to generate text. So here, this is whereby that that Shopify is gonna be generate product. You have to put some keywords based on your product so that Shopify can write more content about the product that you want to sell. Okay, so I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna use this is the t-shirt. I'm just gonna click here, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna change the tone of voice. I'm just gonna use a persuasive. You can also change them to an expert or custom. I'm gonna use a persuasive now. I'm just gonna click here to generate. So as you can see, in just a few seconds, Shopify is done writing the description of my product. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click here and click here to copy to enter. After this, I'm just gonna use it again. So now I'm just gonna put the same thing and then the same keyword. I'm just gonna now to make it playful, and then after that, I'm just gonna click here to generate. As you can see, this is the description of my product. I'm just gonna click here and keep it. So as you can see, that is now on this content, guys. Okay, those are things that you can do with Shopify. You can also upload your own image. If you had an image, it is very important that you upload an image of your store or the image of your product, so that the customers will have an idea of what it is, or how does the product looks like. You can just click it and upload them on here. If they say you already have an image of your product on a laptop, you can also put the pricing, the selling price of the product. But for me, this is in my currency, this is ZAR, but you can also use any currency that you want for your store. Just keep that in mind. I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna put the compare price and then the cost per item. I'm just gonna put the cost per item, and then it's gonna be showing you the profit that you'll be making and also the margins, guys. Okay, what else you can do, you can also put the shipping weight of the product. If let's say it's a physical product, you can just put the shipping weight. If they say that you want to rank your product in the first page of Google, like using the search engine, so what you can do, you can just use it to edit this. This is where you're gonna be editing your product here, so that your store is gonna rank in the first page of Google. Okay, so when you're done that, you're gonna just click to save it. We're not gonna save it. You can just click here to save the changes. So this is how you can edit your own product here on Shopify. So what else you can do, you can also go to analytics. When you click here to analytics, you can have an idea on how your store it is performing. Let me just click on analytics. Like, it's gonna be showing you based on, let's say, based on today, the total sales that you have today. You can do some customization. Maybe you wanna check on like maybe yesterday, or in the last 7 days, or in the last 10 days, in the last 90 days. You can check how many how many sales that you have on your store. You can also check the online sessions, like mean that the traffic that you are getting on your store. Okay, you can also check the online store conversion rate, like how is your store it is converting. And also you can also check the total orders of your store. You can also check the average value order. You can also check the top selling products. If you see that on your store you have multiple products, you can also check the top selling products so that you can have an idea which product is converting the most of sales. You can also go to discount. So what I like about discount is that you can also create discounts on Shopify on your store so that you can have so that you can increase the sales of your Shopify store. You can also go to online store. So on the online store, this is where that Shopify is going to be giving you some themes, some done for you themes that you can use for your Shopify store. As you can see that there are so many themes here that you can just use them, like this one. As you can see that you can just click here and view and see, and also have an idea on how your store may look like. You can just use these themes. These are the free themes, guys. You don't have to pay anything to use these themes. You can also put the logos here and change the colors, and also you can also change the currency here, maybe dollars or whatever currency that you want to use. You can also change the prices here. So all of these themes, you can just click here and add. The theme is going to be added straight on your Shopify store, guys. It is very, very easy to use to Shopify. So now let me show you some of the pricing plans of Shopify. Remember, when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, is going to take you to this page. This is where that you can able to get access for free using Shopify, meaning that when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, you can have your 3 days free trial. But I highly recommend that you upgrade your free trial only for $1, meaning that you can have 30 days free trial, guys, okay, using Shopify. And also the plan that I recommend for you guys is the basic plan, because the basic plan, you can just do anything with the basic plan. I highly recommend that you can use this plan. It's going to be $25 per month if you want to pay on a monthly basis. But if you want to pay on a yearly basis, you can save up to 25%, guys, okay? If you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I want to back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you. Sharp.